To keep your home or business secure as possible, give each system user a unique user code. To begin creating a user code, log into the website, click Users, followed by Add New User. Enter the user's first and last name. Then click Create. Click the Access Code field and enter a unique 4-digit code. Next, choose which devices the user should have access to. Review all the information for accuracy, then click Save. If you'd like to customize the access period, you can click Time to restrict access to certain times or create a user code that expires at a future date. Finally, if you would like the user to receive notifications from the system, you can enter a phone number or email address in the contact information fields.